Hello friends, welcome to Namaste English. Friends, today we have brought very interesting story. The ant and the elephant. Friends, once upon a time, there lived a big elephant in the jungle. As the elephant was so much bigger than other animals, he would always trouble them. In the same forest, there lived a family of ants. They were a hard-working family who always would go to gather food. One day, as the ants were walking, the big mean elephant threw water on them. The ants got angry and asked the elephant to stop troubling them. But the elephant shouted at the ants to shut her mouth or else he will walk over all of them. The next day, the ants noticed the elephant sleeping. The ants thought of teaching a lesson to the elephant. So the ant quietly climbed onto the elephant's trunk and entered it. Once inside, the ant started biting the elephant. The elephant shouted because of pain. He tried everything but could not get the ant to stop biting him or come out of its trunk. Such an enormous elephant became helpless ahead of the tiny ant. The elephant pleaded to the ant to stop biting. The ant stopped and said, "Well, I hope now you know how others feel when you hurt them." The elephant said, "Yes, I do. Please stop now." The ant stopped and came out of its trunk. Then the elephant apologized to the ant and promised never to disturb others again. Friends, moral of the story is always be kind to smaller and weaker creatures. Thank you.